specifically, in fact, we need to understand that, see, for children and for kids, the one aspect which we have mentioned is Swan Prashanam. So Swan Prashanam is, again, let me explain. It is made of honey, then medicated Kritam ghee, then Swan Basam nano, a form of gold, and some other herbs. It has been processed, mixed, and few drops daily orally. It has to be given to the kids in the morning. They best is empty stomach, so 2 to 3 drops or 4 drops as per the age, weight we can give orally, and it will help them in improving their immunity. Already in India, in fact, in the medical colleges, in the allopathic medical colleges, there is a very renowned medical college in India in Lucknow, that is King George Medical College. They have done, it's a medical university now, by the way. They have done a research study on Swanprashan, in which they have found that it is very effective in terms of improving the immunity, in terms of growth, in terms of ensuring that a particular child is having the optimum level of health. So that is one thing which we need to understand. Second is, certain kind of certain kind of rasayana are, like, kids are able to take. Certain companies have developed and worked on the taste as well. So taste is fine, they can take easily. Then certain herbs are coming in a form of a drops, so we can mix, we can infuse their milk, we can infuse their water, or maybe if they are liking juices or soft drinks also, so we can at least infuse those with these herbal drops like tulsi drops, uh, curcumin drops. We can give them golden milk by infusing, so they will not take powdered haldi due to the taste and all, but they can always take, if it is being infused by the drops, at least the active curcumin is going on. And after, we have seen Starbucks have launched turmeric latte, and many other organizations are launching golden milk or golden drinks for curcumin, and we all know that it is a very good herb in terms of improving immunity, as well as developing an antiviral antibacterial system in your body. So that kind of culture we can develop in them, that yes, at least some herbs they can take gradually with some swan prashan, and that is fine. Still, if any kid or any child is getting affected, please ensure that, the same as we have mentioned about adults, Ayurveda treatment should be started as soon as possible. Definitely in a lesser dose. Definitely, some medicines we can give, some medicines we can't give to them. But whatever the best possible treatment we can follow, should follow, for the kids, for the children as well, and it will definitely be beneficial for them.